Devuttani Ekadashi or the Prabodhini Ekadashi comes on the Shukla Paksha of the Kartik month, and it is on this day that Bhagwan Vishnu wakes up from his Yoga Nidra after 4 months, and on waking up, the Chaturmas comes to an end. It is also believed that performing the Prabodhini Ekadashi or the Deva Uttani Ekadashi Vrata is equal to 1000 Ashwamedha Yajnas or 100 Rajasuya Yajnas. It is said that there lived a king who was extremely sattvic and followed the Ekadashi Vrata. Inspired by him, his subjects also followed this Vrata. One day, a man from the neighboring kingdom came to him and said, "I'm extremely hungry and I need employment. Please help me." Taking pity on him, the king agrees but tells him there will be one day that you will not be getting food, and that is on the Ekadashi date. Out of desperation, the man says, "Yes, Raja, I don't mind." When Ekadashi came, this man goes to the Raja and says, "I'm extremely hungry, I need food, I cannot fast." That time the Raja reminded him, "Remember, I told you on Ekadashi I cannot give you anything." The man says, "It doesn't matter, I'm extremely hungry, I need to eat." Taking pity on him again, the Raja gives him grains and rice. He takes the grains and rice to the river bank, has a bath, cooks the food, and then sits down to pray and calls Bhagwan to eat with him. There is so much of purity in his heart and mind and actions that Bhagwan is compelled to come to him, and Bhagwan and him have food together. The next Ekadashi, this man goes to the Raja and says, "This time give me double the quantity." The Raja says, "Why? I had given you enough." Like, no, it was not only me who ate, Bhagwan also ate with me, and it was not enough for the two of us. Now the Raja is shocked. He's like, "I have been performing the Ekadashi Vrata for so long, and Bhagwan has not come in front of me. You don't perform the Vrata, but Bhagwan is coming in front of you. I don't believe you." And on that Ekadashi, the king goes and hides behind the tree near the river bank. This man goes to the river, has a bath, cooks the grains and the cereals, prays, and invites Bhagwan to come. Bhagwan doesn't come. Repeatedly he calls out to Bhagwan. Bhagwan doesn't come. Getting angry, this man tells Bhagwan, "If you don't come to eat with me, I'm going to enter the river and I'm going to drown myself." Still Bhagwan doesn't come. So the man gets up and starts walking with determination towards the river. Looking at this, Bhagwan is very pleased with him, appears in front of him, sits down and eats with him. And after they eat, he takes the man with him in his chariot and goes to Vaikunth. The Raja, hiding behind the tree, has observed all of this. And that's when he realizes just observing the Vrata with no meaning behind it does not make sense. Observing it with purity in heart, thought, and action is what will give fruit. And from that day, the Raja changed.